Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Okay, today we're driving out of Kingston, so we are on Washington Boulevard now. It's about 10 o'clock in the morning to give you an idea of what the traffic is like. And you notice that motorbike just went right across the road. Sometimes I wish I could issue tickets to people. He's not supposed to do that. It's so, not one, it's against the law, and two, it is so dangerous. Anyway. Okay, so we're now going on to Mandela Highway, and Mandela is the busiest road in Jamaica, simply because it takes you in and out of Kingston and it connects you with all the major highways. So we are actually driving to Mandeville today, so you're going to see a lot of videos of that area going up over the next few days. Okay. On the right is the Ferry Industrial Complex. It's one of the largest warehouse areas in Jamaica. It's pretty new, it was recently built. And it's strategically located. It's literally, because of the highway, and all the highways around Mandela, you can get to Portmore, Spanish Town, Kingston easily. So and more warehouses are being built over there. If you look on the right, you can see the tractor. I'm not sure if the camera can pick it up. And it's a very fast growing community. A lot of companies are setting up shop over there, or warehouses, because geographically it's in one of the best locations. And two other reasons, because when you're talking about Jamaica, you have to consider security. The ferry police station is like a 1-minute drive away from the complex, so you're not going to have any problems. Plus, most of those facilities have security. And then the second thing is it has a lot of empty space, a lot. So you don't have to be buying a building and tearing it down. It has all the space you need, so you can move much faster. Okay, now this is the busiest gas station in Jamaica, and it's no secret, it's off Mandela, which is the busiest road in Jamaica, so naturally this gas station will be busy. Now this is not peak hour, this is 10:30 in the morning, and look at how busy the gas station is. And this is a huge gas station, one of the largest in Jamaica. Look at that. Oh my god. They literally have a line, and the gas price is not anything special, it's average. Wow. And there's a line behind us. However, we use diesel, so we're going to go to the back of the line where the diesel pump is. So we just have to very carefully drive around. But that Prada there, you should use diesel. What is it doing there? Oh, they have a diesel pump there. Did not know that. Okay, so basically we're just going to the back to morning. 5,000 low sulfur.
5,000 low sulfur?
Yeah. Okay, so this gas station is a Fesco. It was recently built. It was built a couple years after the highway was opened. Now it has a food court, and it also has a Tasty Patties in it. And the Tasty Patties was just recently opened, probably a month ago. I'll give you a look at soon. So this is the food court, and the Tasty Pate location is in the food court. So sorry, not the food court though, it's inside that building. There's like a convenience store is a better word in there on the left, and then on the right is the Tasty Pate's location. So can you imagine this gas station during peak hour traffic? Oh my god. Anyway, this was an excellent idea to put a gas station right here. Excellent, I must say. And then to put a Tasty Pate in the gas station, another excellent idea. I mean, it's common every day, you know. Every local gas station has a convenience store in it. They are very useful when you just need to pick up one or two things. But I think that's standard all around the world now. And most of the gas stations in Jamaica have them. But it was an excellent idea. Oh, and the Tasty looks like it has a drive-through. So it's going to do well because it's in a very good location. Alright, so we're back on Mandela now. As you can see, Mandela is 6 lanes, and during peak hour, like between say 5 and 8 in the afternoon, all 3 lanes are full. Sometimes you even have traffic delays as you get to the Portmore exit. But that's just because of the amount of people that use the road in the evenings to get from the capital, Kingston, to Portmore and Spanish Town. And as you can see on the left, where you have the soft shoulder, there is room for expansion of this road. If you look how far away the light poles are. So this road was originally designed to be, probably based on where those light poles are, I would say about 6 lanes on this side, 6 lanes on the other side. So they definitely 6 lanes on this side. That's why they have the light poles so far from the road. Okay, here now, if we were to go left, we would take the exit to go on the PJ Patterson Highway or the east-west leg of Highway 2000. But we're not taking a highway today. We're going to take the old road, and so we can make videos of the different areas as we go through. Okay, now coming up at this stoplight straight ahead. Okay, before we get there, this bridge is where the PJ Patterson Highway traffic coming into Kingston merges with Mandela Highway. That's the bridge. Okay, now the stoplight. At this stoplight, if we turn left, we would go into Portmore. So if you notice, the road turns, well, it's 3 lanes, but the left lane is a turning lane. And then the road continues, Mandela continues as you go over the stop or through the stoplight, and it's 2 lanes until you get to Spanish Town. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.